It says this meeting is being live streamed.
Okay, so this is on my YouTube. I have a small YouTube channel. I
Mhm.
save some information session. Some students are working in a, there. Some of my students they are pilot now, so they share resources how to become a pilot. And some students join with the Canadian Air Force, Air Cadet. They also share information so that other people can get benefit. Some of my students are also they are doctor now. So how they become a doctor, they share their admission process, and so that so that Irina can get the benefit, Aisha can get the benefit. Some of the students are now a teacher. They also share how to become a teacher. Some are engineer. Some student got 100,000, 200,000 dollar scholarship. So I request their parents, those children, those students, uh, can you come online and then share the resources information so that other people can benefit. So this is the one session we are going to discuss. What is the math contest? Where are the resources? When is the date? How to take the preparation so that the students who are not here, they can see the resources and they can benefit. Okay, Ariana, it makes sense?
Oh, okay.
Okay. Okay. And Aisha, you're here. Oh,
Yes, I'm back.
okay. Okay, Amo, you can share the screen and then maybe can you walk us where are the resources and other information, please?
Okay.
Mm, Maisha, you are here and your brother also here, right?
No, he isn't here. I think my uncle called him though.
Okay, no problem. We can record the information. I'm going to share with you that also. And you already know that part, right? Okay. So, perfect. So I can see whose screen is it? Aisha, are you sharing your screen or
Yeah,
is
this is my screen.
Ariane?
I have the Netflix. I have Netflix, YouTube, Slides Go.
Okay, Ariana, can you maybe
My screen.
close it? Your can you stop
Okay.
your sharing? Okay, now I can see the Aisha's one. Yes, please, Aisha.
Um, I talk about how to access resources.
Yes.
Okay, so basically you just want to visit the main. Oh, wait, sorry, I got a call.
We,
Okay, so
we need to
basically,
search. We need to search the Waterloo University Gauss Math Contest, right?
yeah, so basically you just search up the Gauss contest, right? Gauss Waterloo University Gauss contest, and then under so it'll immediately take you to this tab, right? The contests, and then basically what you want to do is you'll scroll down, and it'll take you to past contests, right?
Mm.
And then you'll see they offer all sorts of different types. You don't want to click on Gauss because that's the one that we're doing. And then they'll show you all their previous all their previous contests that they held all the way from 2018, and they have grade 7 and 8, and basically what you can do is you can view the contest or you could download the PDF and you can practice.
Around 10 years questions is there, right?
Yeah, 10 years of questions.
Okay, can you click on this one contest, please, so that we can see any year is fine.
Mm. So this is the grade 7 contest from last year.
And the contest duration is 1 hour, or yes, 1 hour, right?
Hmm.
Yes. And there are how many parts are there?
4, 5.
Yes, 5 parts are there. Okay. And usually from part A and B, part A is very easy. A and B is the very easy questions. C and
So
D
as
is
you
medium.
progress, the questions get harder.
As you progress, the question is the last question is a little bit tough because it's the math contest, right? They would like to make it a little bit harder so that people can get benefit, so that they can realize, yes, this is hard. Then maybe the question could be who can participate? You should be mathematician, you have to be very good in math, or what do you think, Aisha?
In order to participate,
Mm-hmm.
there's no requirement, just
And
just go.
there's no pass, there's no fail.
Yeah.
Anybody can participate. Why I always request to participate to my students, because you are going to be the future community leader, future school teacher, university professor. You are going to join in different careers, right? So that's why if you participate those kind of extracurricular activity, you can help the community. You can serve the community better way. Even you help your siblings, your other relatives also. If the student don't participate those, they miss it. They cannot contribute more. The way you, let's say this year you participate and last year you participate and you do the volunteer, then this is the way in your future life you can make a difference in the community. Right, Aisha?
Hmm. Hmm.
Very good. Okay. So, so 1 hour duration and calculator is allowed, right? You can use the
Yeah.
calculator. Yes. Perfect. Yeah, they give Waterloo University, they give 1 week, I think 2 weeks nowadays. I see that. Last year it was just they used to give 2 days, Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday in Canada and Thursday for the other outside of country. But this year I see uh, they give 2 weeks time to finish the test, because in different school arrange the in different days. But our Calgary session, our Calgary center, which I run in the Village Square Library, that will be the 13th May, Wednesday, from 7 to 8, 1 hour. Aisha, you remember, right?
Hmm.
You participate? Yes. Okay, ma'am. Okay, so those are the questions. Those are the basic informations. So there are lots of 10 years. If a student solve at least 3 to 4 years questions, they can get some kind of idea what will be the on the test. Oh, again, there is no pass, there is no fail. But the student who do very good on this, let's see, in my center, 30 or 40 students are coming, or 10 students are coming. The student who get the maximum score, they get the best student. And the student who get the more than 80% mark, they get, I think, a higher achiever. And other than whoever participate, they got a certificate from the University of Waterloo. What is the benefit? Let's see, in math contest. Maisha, can you share something? What are the benefit from this math contest? Or anybody else, please. What could be? What do you think? What could be benefit? Aisha, Ariana,
Hmm.
Maisha.
Um,
Or you can also see, ask the AI, you can get some
you get
information.
to participate in competitive math, so you know what it's like.
Very good. You can see outside of the classroom, outside the box, how are other people are doing. What is math contest? When you do more math and then harder solution, then it open up your brain. Your thinking ability will develop. You can think more, you can think complex, you can solve the complex problem. It will make you strong. This is one thing. Another thing also,
I got some.
yes,
Well, I heard like when even if you don't know something, like when you do the question, even that you don't know, at least trying makes your brain actually grow.
uh,
Like it's a good thing to at least try, even if you don't know the
right,
question.
right, right. Always. There's a, the when you go for grade 1, 2, 3, 4, the level of math is a little bit harder and harder. Why? To train our brain to give a little bit pressure so that we can um, think higher level, right? And the students who are good in math, who work more and more, you cannot be good math in without practice. No, 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 no. If you do lots of math, and then do more and more and more, then you can become you'll be very good in math. And when you're very good in math, then you can get admission in the engineering department. If you're not a good in math, if you don't like math, then engineering subject is not for you at all, because 80%, 90% is math and physics related, right? For the engineering programs. Okay, some students are very good. They like about biology, so they do better in medical science. Some students, they like, that social work, to talk with other people, to manage other people, to deal with the people, human. They are doing very good in social worker field, okay, or communication, marketing, other fields. And math is needed for everywhere. So that's why the math contest help you this way. Another issue for uh, when you have the certificate, when you get the certificate, when you get some kind of award, or even if you participate, you are going to save it, right? It's called in your portfolio. When you apply for university, Waterloo University or other university, it helps you to get admission. Why? Because you have mark, right? Let's say Aisha has 90 marks, Alina also, and Maisha 95% mark, or let's say 100% mark. So they are going to take one student who is going to get the chance, because you all have three same mark. But some student, yes, Amma.
Um, if you guys have the same grades, they're gonna start looking at your other qualifications.
Excellent. Do you have volunteer certificates? Do you have any recommendation letter? Did you participate in any community work, math contest, some other certificates? So when they see, oh, these students from grade 6, grade 7, grade 8, they participate in math contest. They also did very good. They have eager to learn. They have the energy. They have the motivation. So the student who get 100% but no certificate, nothing, but the student who have 100% mark or a little bit less, but still they have some kind of volunteer work and those kind of certificates, 100% sure. Even you are also going to, when you're going to select the students, you are going to select those students. Oh, they are more mature than other student. They are bright than other students. If I get the admission of this student, they can bring good things for our department, for my university. When you grow up a little bit more, if you are going to for masters or research or PhD, that time it also help you. Oh, grade 7, she used to do the math. She also join the contest, and then she also help other student. So she is inborn nature that is she has a good soul. He or she has a good soul, good student, caring. She or she loves the community, the country, the subject. She has passions. So because when when you'll be senior student, mature student, you cannot work, right? But you have to pay. So that time when you apply for a grant, for a scholarship, or other financial assistance, those will added value to your
Application.
application. It's always everywhere, right? Everywhere. So definitely it will help you in this way. And sometimes that when you're going to university in grade 12, your parents are working in different company, different industry. They have also some grant. The students who are doing good department, in their own on their own office, the manager, they can use, my children are going to the university. So there is some kind of extra funding reserved for those employee and their children. Again the same thing, when they write it the proposal and she got the admission here, and then we need some financial assistance to this expensive course. So the university, your dad and mom, their office, they give scholarship. And I have lots of students, and then their parents, they share with me also. So those are the benefit you are getting, right? Some people are, when they're university first or second student, they need to study hard, and then they're also working in Tim Horton or other places. That is also fine. The student who got the scholarship, because their education is free, their food accommodation is free, their transportation is free if you get the scholarship. So who are getting the scholarship? Same thing again, who are strong student, who are creative student, who can, who can manage, handle so many multitasking. And then this proof from grade 7, 8, 9, you are doing lots of community work, you're lots of doing extracurricular work beside your school work. So those are going to add it, and then you can get benefit in so many organizations. Even there's a call Calgary Foundation, BC Foundation, a small grant. You can also apply there for scholarship. In university, you have also financial department. You can apply for that. So the student who participate with it's called the science contest, right? In your school, did you participate? Anybody?
Like a science fair?
Science fair, yes.
Mm-mm.
Ariana?
We don't have science fairs in my school.
Yeah, me neither.
Oh no. Okay, some school they used to run. Nowadays, lots of trouble going on, so that's why some school they stop. What about Maisha in BC, Vancouver? They run any math contest? Sorry, any science fair, science contest?
Any science contest you participated, remember?
Yeah, our school ran like this
Cristiano?
science fair project contest thing, yeah, and
Yes,
the regionals too. Yeah.
very good. And then at first they do in their own school, and after that maybe they take 5 or 10 best project to the university.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So University of British Columbia or?
There was there's KPU, Kwantlen Polytechnic University.
Okay, okay. So if you search, Aisha, can you search science fair at the University of Calgary? You'll see that. Every year, all of the schools, they do the competition in their own school. Teacher evaluate, they do the marking, and then they take the best 10 and then send to the University of Calgary Science Fair. Yes. Right? Yes.
Mhm.
And then they get also some kind of certificate. So those are, that when you participate those things and get the certificate, again, it will help you to get admission in medical or science related or any other subjects. Right? This makes sense. Okay, Amma? Yes. Yes. Even if you search, the science contest or math contest in Canada, let's just, all the time your parents don't need to help you. All the time your teacher don't. You can also, because you're almost going to be mature, right? Mature student. So, see, amma ekটু search করেন তো math contest in Canada or Calgary or British Columbia. Amma দেখেন they're also arrange more than 10 to
In
15.
Canada or Calgary?
Then Calgary, then তারপর Canada, then. And other boys and girls, you can also search your own city. এই যেমন দিয়েছে না যে AI আমাদেরকে ওভারভিউ দিয়েছে, the AI give you some more information also there, right? Okay, University of Science, click on the junior math contest, click on that.
This one?
Yeah, yeah. Go there. There's one more list, most probably. Can you go down and down, down? Okay, there's the exam and solution. University Calgary also doing that part. I'm gonna go down and then let's see. Yeah. Okay. This is for the junior high math contest, right? For grade 7, 8, 9. Can you go back and then go for there's a list of the, in Edmonton, and there are other math contests also there. You can go back.
Pardon?
Can you go back for the previous page?
What previous page? I searched up again.
Yes, the searching page, right? If you go back, yeah. Let's see if you go for can you go a little bit down? There's one list. Okay, math and other math contests. Can you go for you see the Faculty of Science, University of Calgary? Down, down, the third one, 1, 2. Yes, yes. Click on that part. On top of the yes. They put the all list because some students are doing the PhD program, they are doing masters, so they put all information here so that you see the different math contest name and then you see Olympiad, Math Olympiad.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Okay. So they put also other math contest information also there, right? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So
These are their resources.
yes, they are the resources, right? If you feel free, and then if you'd like to participate more other contests, you can research and then say. Okay, so do you know in university, in your own university, on your own city, if there's university, they run math circle. Can you search math circle at the University of Calgary? Maisha, can you search also math circle at British Columbia University or some
Math Circle,
math circle?
University of Waterloo.
University of Calgary, but Waterloo they do, University of Toronto they does, and then okay, Math Circle, University of Calgary, okay, Waterloo they always do. See the
Okay.
math Circle, you can click on that. So from grade 1 to grade 12, students are going there, and then the students who are doing PhD, who are doing master's program, they do fun way, they teach math, they discuss, they do math circle. From grade 6 to 12. So why they run that program? Again, if they're in grade 6 and 7 and 8, and then weekly, I think Saturday, sometimes it's Saturday, they do the run. So they go to the university, they talk to them, they discuss, and it's when they're in grade 6 and 7 or 8, 9, they go there, they talk to the senior professor, teachers, and other students. They feel, that they're motivated to join to the university, right? And then they get a dream.
Mm-hmm.
University of Calgary, can you write it down? Math Circle, University of Calgary.
And search it up.
Yes, please. And I would like to request all of you, and in your own city, at least join there 1 or 2, 3 times. Why? Because you will get some idea when you grown up, you can run those sessions for the community, for the other student, other children, right? If you don't learn, if you don't participate those information session, then when you grown up, you will be lots of time. What are you going to do? You have a skill, but if you don't like to share, then the world cannot be, the community cannot develop, right? Okay, Amma, দেখেন তো কি লিখেছে. You can study a little bit. Time is Saturday, right? Yes, Amma, দেখেন. এই যে কত নাম্বার রুমে দেওয়া আছে, which number? And then time is there,
Mm-hmm.
right? They play board game, and then they put the date also. Okay. Okay. Maisha, can you search? We are going to take, 5 to 10 minutes, then we'll finish our session. In your university, in your city, there's university, they do some kind of program. Can you check and then share with us, please?
Ji, Assalamu alaikum, bhaiya. She just went to the washroom.
Okay.
She'll be right back.
Oh, no problem. Okay, fine. When she's there, then she can search and then she can share. In the meantime, we can progress. Okay, so my request for Aisha and Arena, talk to your parents and request them at least visit there. Visit there. You'll feel proud. You'll feel difference. You can feel that I'm different from my other student. We are same, but I'm learning. And then Chacha also learning. Everybody, we came to this world, this earth, God, Allah, whatever we say, the Creator sent us to learn and to grow more, and then help the community, share with the knowledge to other people, so that will be the family, the community, the world will be better place, right? Okay, Aisha and Arina, and for everybody, if you are not engaged in those good work, what else? Lots of the time we are going to watch movie again and movie, and then game and game. You see some students, right? I have some students playing game all the time, and they lose their lots of skills. They lose their deadlines, right? And they cannot plan properly. When those students, junior high school students, participate working with the professors, with the PhD students, they can see, they can learn. I learn most of the things from other people. How to deal, how to plan, how to prioritize our work. There's lots of work, right? So how can I should participate? How can I get those skills? If you join those, different programs, you can prioritize. Okay, Amma, Aisha, excellent. Okay, do you like to go for the math contest? This also related, science contest, science math circle. Can you go for the Waterloo University Math contest? Where are those solutions?
The solution.
You showed us last 10-year questions,
Mm-hmm.
and now can you show me the
Okay,
solutions?
wait, give me a minute. YouTube.
Because my student, they at their home, there's no teacher, right? Because most of the teachers are not going to help this one. You have to do by yourself. So the questions is there. You can print out, ask your parent, or if you have the printer at your home, you can print out. Or if you don't like to print out in the computer, we can see, and then you can write the answer on your page. After that, you can check your answer. If it's right, wonderful. If it's wrong, why this is wrong, there's a solution.
So yeah,
Can you go for the video at first? We'll go for the video solution later. For the PDF solution.
PDF solution.
Again, you can, you see the solution.
Yes,
Okay.
I forgot about these. So with the contest, there's also the solution.
Yes,
So they give
click
you the
on that.
answers. Yes.
Click on that. I'm training you. I'm
Mhm.
training all of the three girls, all of my beautiful ammas, so that you can help me next year, so that you can learn. Inshallah.
Mhm.
Okay. So that's why this is also training, the training the trainers. You are going to next year or next session, you are going to explain to parents. You are going to explain to other students. Okay, ma. Yes. Click on that.
Mm.
And
So this is just the answer key, basically.
answer key, and then they also explain it. Why, right? Answer is
Oh,
C. They didn't put the answer, just C. This answer C. Why?
they don't give an explanation as to why. This is just the answer key.
Yes, give it 12 times 5 is 60. That's why. Got it?
Oh, oh,
They
yes,
just didn't
right.
put the C, but they explain it, right?
Mhm.
Okay. When there's a bigger question, they also explain it there. Yes, yes. Excellent. And then some of the students, they like to watch a solution. They like to see the video solution. Where are those video solutions?
On YouTube.
Yes, I request all the parents, all the students, um, uh, engage them. If you give them some more other work, then they will do. Otherwise, they're going to waste their time by playing or watching movies again and again and then for other silly things, right? Okay, Ammu. Yes, click on that one and then see that, yeah, year by year, there's all solutions are there, right? 2014, 2000.
This is your brain when you're struggling to focus. And this is your brain when you're in the zone. But getting in the zone and staying.
The coordinates of R are 2, 6 as shown, after which of these translations will R move to the point 7, 0? Okay, well, where is 7, 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. Okay, Ammu. So we see that part, right? The students, they can different level. At their free time, they are going to do the test. They're going to see the solution. They can watch the solution and they can compare, right? So if something doesn't make sense, they can search there. If this doesn't make sense, there's other teacher also solve it, right? In different, there are lots of resources also there. Just everything is there. We need to find it out and we need to utilize it. Okay, Aisha, lots of things you already explained, you shared. Did I miss anything? Any question from your side, Ariana?
Any questions?
Yeah.
Let me share my screen.
Or it makes lots of things make sense.
Yeah.
Yes, just you need to do the practice, right? And
Yeah.
then yes, yes. Maisha or Aisha, Maisha. Oh, very good rhyming. Aisha, do you like to share something more? Or if I miss something, can you add something? Anybody can add something.
I don't think there's much else. I don't have anything to say.
Okay, okay, it makes sense. Maisha, when she's ready, maybe she can. I'm excited to listen, to hear some good points from Maisha when she's ready. Okay, so for the parents, for my other students also, math contest, basically there's two math contests. There's lots of math contests. Aisha, we see that, right? But the main two contests, what are, can you tell me the name? What are the
The
two?
two main contests?
Yes.
The gauze contest, I think you're talking about, and the math kangaroo contest.
Math kangaroo international, more than I think 100, more than 180 countries, they run the math kangaroo math contest. And another one is Waterloo University Math Contest. This is also famous. I think around 40,000 students are participating from Canada, all over the world. There's one data, how many people, if you can search, you can see that. I see that around 3 million, yes, around 3 million in total. All other great, Bieber math contest, Gauss math contest, grade 9, there's another math contest, Pascal math contest, fluid math contest. So students are joining those, right? So the world renowned is Math Kangaroo, another one is Waterloo University, and some other university, local university on their own, they do their own, like Calgary University Junior High Math Contest. Mount Royal University, they run one math contest. It's called Mount Royal University Math Contest. Can you write it down? Royal Mount or Mount Royal University. For, I think, elementary math contest for grade 3, 4, 5. Can you, Aisha or
You want me to screen share?
Yes, can you search
Okay.
that? From my knowledge, I see that every university, their own local university, they arrange it. Just search here, Mount Royal University Math Contest.
What are you doing? What are you teaching anybody?
Yes, I see that. Yeah. Click on. Yes. Wednesday, April 29. They arrange it. Yes. Right? Go down and then see.
Uh-huh.
Yes. So you can, you got the information, and then inshallah you can help your sister who is in grade 2 right now. When she's grade, oh yes, grade 4 and 5, 4, 5, 6, right? After 2 years, she can join there. And who are out province, there's, I think, can you go up? You'll see that the past questions also. When you go up.
Up?
Yes, you see the
Past
past
contest?
contest. Yes. There's some question and then there's the answer also there to see, to prepare. Right? So we are going to run the session 2 to 3 minutes. I don't like to take more time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Maisha, are you here or?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, Ammo, do you like to share something? Just we have 2 to 3 minutes. Do you like to share something from BC
Um,
or maybe another day?
yeah, I'm not sure you covered up everything, right? So
Okay.
nothing really for me to add.
Inshallah. Okay, so next week, this week, lots of parents and the children, they did not know that, or they missed the session. That's why I record it. If I'm not good, if you're free, keep me just 1 hour free. 4 to 5 next week, we are going to explain a little bit those session, why this benefit. You can search a little bit and what are the resources there. And maybe we can solve some questions together. Okay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
We have around, let's say, 3 to 4 weeks left. So we are going to do practice in our home, and we are going to do a little bit Sunday, at least. If you don't get a time to do those at your home, Sunday 1 hour, we are going to do some practice. Okay, thank you, boys and girls. Jazakumullah khair. Okay.